So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create quick polls of voting booths online without actually signing up or anywhere, or without actually using the Google form, because those were very complex if you are a beginner. Now in order to do, just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here you have to search for doodle.com. You can see the right spelling if I pronounce it wrong. Just simply go to this website and just simply click on this option which is create a doodle. Once you click over there, here it will take some time to cite for response, and you can do the same stuff from your smartphones as well. Now here you can see which says create group poll. Once you give the inputs as per your need, you can see your name, your email, and the title, the description, and everything else. You can see you can add your items and create a poll that you can share with anyone and use it in real time. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.